So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to refresh your curls in the morning. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me how to get the same look as you guys did the night before. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do and what to do. So for the first step, I'm not going to be shampooing or conditioning my hair. I'm just going to be wetting it and then shaking my hair. This is the product I'm going to be using. So I'm going to take a decent amount of that, rub it in my hands, make sure both hands have evenly distributed product. This and this, you can apply it to your hair. I'm just gonna add some more. This much. So for the next step, I'm gonna be wetting my hair. I'm gonna be using the spray bottle. Then after, you're just gonna shake your hair. So next up, I'm just gonna be using a tiny little bit of Eco Styler gel. And when I say a tiny bit, I mean like this much for the whole head. Rub it through. So for the next step, I'm just going to be adding a little bit more water. So this is what my hair looks like right now after refreshing my curls. If you guys have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments and I will surely answer you. Make sure to share this with your friends and family and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.